Hi all, today I'm going to be showing you how I've made a ladder in 3ds Max. It's quite a simple video, so I'm going to go up to plus, I'm going to add a box, I'm going to drag the box out to about this big, I'm going to lift it up, and it's actually got a good number of polygons on it already. So I'm just going to convert this to an editable poly. I'm going to press 4 on my keyboard and I'm going to select the middle row of polygons. I'm not going to move them though. If you make a mistake and move them, press Ctrl Z, that will undo it. So I'm just going to select the whole middle row and I'm going to delete them. I'm then going to press 3 on my keyboard, select the border, hold shift. Oh, by the way, I pressed W on my keyboard to bring up the move tool, and now I'm going to hold shift and move it on the X coordinate out a bit. Now with that still selected, I'm going to go to tools, go down on my tools to mirror. This bring up this box, so I'm going to go to geometry, I'm then going to go to copy, I'm going to make sure I have the right coordinate, which is X, going to press the X coordinate, and yeah, that should be it. So press OK, zoom out a bit, hold Alt and press W. This will full screen the selected viewport. And now you just want to move your mirrored shape to about there. Now with this selected, you want to go to you want to convert it back to an editable poly first. And now you want to attach. Select the shape. Now it should be quite easy to do the next bit. Excuse me. You want to press 2 on your keyboard. And you want to go to target weld. And now you want to just attach all of them together. Like so. Be sure to do all the sides. Sorry about this taking a long time. Right, so with all of them done, press right click to get off the target weld. Oh, I'm upside down. Right, what I want to do now is hold Alt and press W. And I want to go to top mode. Or do I want to go to front mode. And now I want to create a spline. So if I go to add, I want to choose this box to spline. I want to create a line. I'm going to press Alt W on this viewport. Zoom out a bit. And I'm going to create my spline about that big. I'm going to press right click to exit out of this. I'm going to select my shape. And now I'm going to hold shift. And I'm going to press I. Now with my single step selected and I've brought up this tool, I'm going to pick a path for it. Now I'm going to choose my spline and I've got 3 copies on one spline. So if I increase that, I've made myself a ladder quickly. Press apply. And close. And I have a ladder. Now what you can do is delete that object because we don't need it. I'm going to go to here, find my spline, which is here, and delete that because we don't need that either. Box 3. I'm going to make that my main box, so it's an editable poly, so I'm going to attach. And I'm just going to select every other box now. Oh, wait, that isn't working. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to make an editable poly again. Now I'm gonna attach. And I'm going to select them all manually. Like so. And now, as you can see, I have one shape. And that's how you make a ladder fast. Now look for all of you, I have a texture for this already. So I'm going to open File Explorer. I'm going to go to Abomination. I'm not, because that's the game project. I'm going to go to Desktop. The Abomination. Ladder. And I'm going to drag in my ladder texture, but I need my ladder to be on show. So now I'm gonna do it. And to see it, I'm gonna press F3. It's not a great view, so I'm gonna press Alt W, go to my perspective mode. Can turn off F4. And I've got little spaces in between each of the steps. So I'm just gonna move my ladder to a different angle so you can't see him. And yeah, that's basically how I made my ladder. So, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it to your friends.